Okay. This is the third time I'm taping this part. I don't know why it's not. My Chromebook was erasing everything, so I rebooted, and hopefully it works. I'm very nervous because I'm trying to be super happy and fun, and after it doesn't work, it also didn't work for all of sixth grade, the entire video, so I had to do the entire thing again, and theirs was kind of long. So for a night when I didn't have to do very many videos, whoopsie, had to do a lot of videos. Okay, so here we go. Let's talk about X and Y for a second. I don't even know if I've talked about this because I've done it so many times, but here we go. What are the other names for X? The input, the domain, the X value, okay? Y, I can have it as the output, the range, Y value. I often think of Y as my answer, okay? So when you see function tables, you'll see them written one of two ways. You'll see the f of x equals, and then your function rule, 3x minus x, 3x minus 6. Or you'll see y equals 3x minus 6. Exact same thing, okay? So it doesn't matter if your book has y and something else has the f of x, or if you vice versa. These are interchangeable, just like I can say domain or input, range or output, or x or y. I can say the f of x or y equals. And it's basically what that says is the answer to this function is, and then 3x minus x, 3x minus 6, when I put in my x here into here, I get the answer, okay? It appears to be still taping. All right, so let's give it a try. If I were you, I would write my function rule down here. And then I'm going to put in one at a time. I'm going to put in my x into here. So here it's -1. So I'm going to do 3 times -1 minus 6. So as I'm doing this, I'm thinking order of operations. In this case, it is multiplication first. So 3 times -1 is -3. -3 minus 6, same signs, add. So -3 and -6, -9. So I'm going to put that in my output, or in my range. Okay, I'm going to put a 0 in. My favorite. Put the 0 in for x. I get 3 times 0 is 0, so it's just -6. I like the zeros. All right, let's put 1 in for x. So it's 3 times 1 minus 6. Well, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 is -3. But if you want to think of this as add the opposite, 3 plus a -6 still gives you -3. Let's put a 2 in for x. So 3 times 2 minus 6. Well, that's 6 minus 6 equals 0. My output is 0. Each time I'm following the same thing, right? And you guys, a number of you said that today. Like, that was a lot of multiplying, so it took a long time. I get it. Put 5 in for x. So 3 times 5 minus 6, that would be 15 minus 6 is positive 9. There we go. All right. That is what this is all about, you guys. One at a time, adding those in. You'll have lots of practice today. Some of them won't give you the function. You have to try and figure out the function rule. The extra ones I give you all have the function rule. You just have to give me the output. Okay, so that'll go a little bit faster. All right. This is going to be 9 minutes and 25 seconds-ish. So 10, that gives you 50 minutes to work. Finish yesterday's, move on to today's. Whenever that timer goes off, you stop. You're not going to be penalized. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.